Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the few tricks you can use on the camera for Xiaomi Redmi 10A. So first of all, let's open the camera. Right here, the first trick is to use the shutter burst, and that way you'll be able to capture multiple photos in just seconds. So hold the shutter button and move it to the right, and as you can see, we just took 20 photos in like 1 second. Another thing is to hold down the volume button, and that way you can record a short video that lasts about 15 seconds. You can also change that function in the settings. So if you go here and use volume buttons function, you can use the shutter countdown, zoom, shutter, or simply volume. Another thing is that you can, while we're in the settings, you can turn off any shutter sounds, also save location information, and customize your features layout in the camera, then camera modes, colors, and sounds. Now let's go back to the camera, and right here, last trick is to click somewhere on the screen on a specific object that you want to focus the camera on, and that way you will bring the focus to that object. And also next to it there's a sun icon, and if you hold it for a few seconds you should be able to adjust the brightness of your photos. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.